How to set up iPhone to read text messages out loud. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Read and Speak. Here, go to Speak selection. On this page, turn on the Speak selection switch as shown. A Speak button will now appear when you select text. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. Open any chat from here. Tap and hold any message and then tap on Speak. As you can see, your phone will now read out this message out loud. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily set up iPhone to read text messages out loud. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.